I always wanted to be a teacher. I am the oldest of 5. It was just something that came natural to me.
We give our best ever.
My name is Thierry, and I am a phenomenal educator.
Who's gonna hold you back?
Nobody.
My great-grandmother used to say, an education is the only thing someone can't take away from you.
To get your supplies?
Learning from a book is abstract for kids who don't have the hands-on materials. A lot of kids like to touch things, and it makes sense more. So anytime there's something that I know my kids need, I will find a way to get it for them. I teach with a purpose. I keep the end in mind in everything that I do. Kids having those aha moments for just about anything.
Aha.
You got it. You understand it? It's like, yes, you got it.
Dreams are achievable and we are undefeatable.